Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. We draw a straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. Then parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. The roof is the top cover of a building. That keeps the rain, snow, and sun out. It's like a big umbrella for your home. Roofs can be flat, pointy, or sloped. Some roofs even have windows, called dormers. The roof protects the house from the weather. Red color. Yellow color. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. We color it very carefully. Yellow color. Wow! It's so beautiful. This is the wall. Blue color. Blue color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.